I'm giving you some intervals. You have to change those in set builder form. Okay, x belongs to closed 2 comma 3, x belongs to open to closed 5, x belongs to open infinity to 3. These three problems can you change in set builder form? Set builder forms are the sets of these intervals. See, suppose first one I'm changing, listen carefully. Suppose the set is denoted by capital A. You have to take the x values such that this is the symbol used for such that, otherwise one slash also can take like that. That x value is between 2 and 3 and including 2 and 3. See, 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 3. It is the set builder form of first question. Change second question in set builder form. Suppose that set is denoted by B. Change that now. Yes, x such that 2 strictly less than. Shouldn't take 2, no? So that's why r equal to symbol should not take. Less than x less than or equal to 5. Here x is a real number. That also must mention. Whether it is x integer or rational number or anything. Suppose they did not mention means definitely you take a real numbers. Okay. I didn't mention. You take a real numbers. Okay. మరి కాంప్లెక్స్ నెంబర్ తీసుకోవచ్చు కదా సార్ అంటే నో నీడ్ టు టేక్ ఇట్. కాంప్లెక్స్ నెంబర్స్ డు నాట్ సాటిస్ఫైస్ ద ఆర్డర్డ్ ప్రాపర్టీ, అంటే ఇమాజినరీ నెంబర్స్. ఇన్ఫ్యాక్ట్ దీస్ ఆర్ ఆల్సో ఆల్ రియల్ నెంబర్స్ ఆర్ కాంప్లెక్స్ నెంబర్స్ ఓన్లీ. కానీ బిట్వీన్ ఏంటంటే మీకు ఇమాజినరీ నెంబర్ వచ్చే అవకాశమే లేదు. సో ది డిడ్ నాట్ మెన్షన్ ఎనీథింగ్. డైరెక్ట్లీ యూ హ్యావ్ టు టేక్ బిగ్గర్ వాల్యూ, దట్ ఈస్ రియల్ నెంబర్ సెట్. ఓకే, నౌ థర్డ్ వన్. చేంజ్ థర్డ్ వన్. X such that what will get? I'm taking interval like that. Is it true? No, it's not true, because always you must take it bigger value right hand side, smaller value left hand side. Okay, infinity is the bigger. I'm taking left hand side. This is wrong. You must take it is smaller value. That's why I'm changing the problem. This is minus. So minus infinity to 3. X value take from minus infinity to 3. So x such that x is less than 3. Less than 3 means that values all are smaller than 3. And what is the x value? X belongs to real number. So this is the set builder form of it. So we can find out like that. Next, two intervals I am giving you. Which one is smaller interval and which one is bigger interval? You have to decide it. See, suppose I am taking here closed 2 comma 3. Is it subset of open 1 comma 5? Is it subset of 1 comma 5 or not? Same, because it is the interval subset of real numbers. This is also interval subset of real numbers. What about compare these two? So what is meant by subset of a set? Every element in it must be in it. Then this is sub of this. Every element in first interval is in second interval. Then first interval is called subset of the second interval. చూద్దామా మరి? Observe the number line. So this interval you observe open 1, open 5. Where will be 2? 2 here only now. Closed 2, closed 3. So entire interval between 1 and 5 are not. So it is subset of it. It is true. So this is true. Whether it is subset or not, you have to say me the answer. Whether it is true or false means it is true, because this entire interval is in interval 1 comma 5. So that's why it is true. One more I am giving you. Do it well. ఇంకో టెస్ట్ చేస్తారా మరి? Do it. 1 comma 4. Open interval is subset. Closed 1 to closed 3. So is it subset of it? Observe here. 1 no 4. It is open 1 and open 4. So this entire interval must be in it. But it is closed 1, okay. But here closed 3. So this interval is up to here only. But this one is entire this. So ఈ total interval అనేది ఈ 1,3లో లేదు కదా. So that's why this interval doesn't in this interval entirely. So that's why it is not a subset of it. That is false. Okay. Now one more problem I am giving you, that is set builder form. You must change in a interval form. See, E is equal to set of x such that x is greater than root 10 where x belongs to R. It is a set builder form. Can you change it in interval form? Yes, do it. Very good. Because x is a more than root 10 means open interval root 10 to infinity. It is the interval form of it. Nice. Find the value of x such that x less than 2x plus 3. Find the x value. That solution also you must do it in interval form. Observe here, this 2x have to take this side. Minus 2x is less than 3. What is the value of it? X minus 2x is minus x. Minus x less than 3. Multiply with minus. Need to find x values now. So that's why x is greater than minus 3. When we are multiplying on both sides by negative, that sign, inequality sign must be changed. So that's why greater than. So what is the interval form? X belongs to more than minus 3 open to the infinity. This is your answer. Okay. One more problem I'm giving you. Get ready to do it. 2 less than 3x plus 5 less than 10. Find the x value or solution of this inequality or find the domain. Okay, domain. What is the meaning of domain? All acceptable values of x that must satisfy this condition. X value no substitute చేస్తే ఏమవ్వాలి? అవుట్పుట్ వాల్యూ 3x plus 5 వాల్యూ మస్ట్ బి గెటింగ్ మోర్ దాన్ 2 లెస్ దాన్ 10. వీటి మధ్యలో ఉండాలి, బిట్వీన్ 2 and 10. డూ ఇట్ నౌ. How to find the x value? Here x must be alone, but here plus 5 is there now. How to eliminate the plus 5? By subtracting 5. See, 2 minus 5 less than 3x plus 5 minus 5 less than 10 minus 5. Easily we can eliminate. See now, 2 minus 5 how much? Minus 3 less than 5 cancel. 3x less than 10 minus 5. What is the value of 10 minus 5? Yes, 5. Now, you need to find x value, but here 3x is there. What we have to do it? Divide each value by positive 3. Minus 3 by 3 less than 3x by 3 less than 5 by 3. 3 cancel, minus 1 less than 3 cancel, x less than 5 by 3. So what is the x value? That x value lie between minus 1 to 5 by 3. What is meant by length of the interval? Length of the interval. See, suppose 5 comma 10 I have given open interval. What is the length of this interval? Is nothing but a upper boundary minus lower boundary, means 10 minus 5. 5 is the length of the interval. Whatever it may be, that interval takes. Okay, interval అనేది ఓపెన్ ఇంటర్వల్ అయినా తీసేసుకోవచ్చు, క్లోజ్డ్ ఇంటర్వల్ అయినా తీసుకోవచ్చు, సెమీ ఓపెన్ క్లోజ్డ్ అయినా తీసుకోవచ్చు. వాట్ ఈస్ ద లెంగ్త్ ఆఫ్ ద ఇంటర్వల్ ఓపెన్ ఏ అండ్ క్లోజ్డ్ బి? దట్ ఆల్సో బి మైనస్ ఏ. అప్పర్ బౌండరీ మైనస్ లోవర్ బౌండరీ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ length of the interval. These intervals, in fact, we called as finite intervals because here boundaries we got it. And these intervals are bounded. Bounded means extreme values we got it. అంటే ఎక్కడి నుంచి ఎక్కడి వరకు ఇంటర్వల్ పోతుంది అనేది మనకు తెలుసు. బట్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద లెంగ్త్ ఆఫ్ ద ఇంటర్వల్ -∞ to 5 closed. So its length does not exist. Does not exist. Shouldn't take, because this is not a finite interval. It is infinite interval. Shouldn't get infinities. Infinity value you don't know, no? So కాబట్టి ఏంటంటే its length does not exist. What is the length of an interval 5, does not exist because infinity value we don't know. It is not a finite. So that's why your answer length of the interval is does not exist. What is the length of the real numbers? Means real numbers in interval form is -∞ to infinity. No, what is the length? Its length also does not exist. Okay.